Most small businesses struggle to see a return from their marketing activities. You spend a lot of time on platforms like social media wondering if you'll ever see a return. There are tons of different marketing activities out there, and the reality is your customer base goes through a decision-making period where they go from the point of having an idea to the point of handing over money. We've developed this framework called the marketing ecosystem. We've been using this with businesses since 2009 throughout Australia, which will guarantee to convert more of your prospective customers, no matter how long it takes, because some customers will take 5 minutes to make a decision, some will actually make a decision in 5 days, some will be 5 weeks, some might even take 5 years. But we need to nurture, we need to have funnels in place, processes in place, because of all the marketing activities you do, they only sit in the traffic column. They're only to grab attention. We have to have a whole lot of processes in place to convert them to happy, loving customers. If you want to learn more, jump on the Marketing Blast-Off workshop with us. We'd love to show you how to convert more customers in an easy way.